y'all? It's Akira and I'm back in the video. So if y'all can tell by today's title, I'm going to be giving y'all an eyebrow tutorial. So as you can see, I'm starting off on a fresh face, okay? And another thing, as y'all can tell, my eyebrows have never really had a good shape like all my life. My mama had paid to get them, I think it's called microbladed one time, but I just never went, you know, like the tattooed eyebrow. And you go get like a touch up maybe, I think once a year or every 2 years for a certain amount of time, and then it's gonna be like permanent almost. But yeah, I never was able to do the touch-ups. So the tattoo essentially went away, and so I had to learn how to start drawing on my eyebrows. So in the beginning, I used to suck so bad drawing on my eyebrows myself. It took me a very long time to learn, but I started to look on TikTok and YouTube for different techniques on how to do my eyebrows, and I think I found the perfect way. So just to give y'all a close-up of my eyebrows, I'm being very vulnerable right now. And y'all, I didn't wake up, but I'm about to go to the store and I gotta go get me some edge control because I accidentally left my edge control somewhere, so I gotta go get some more. But yeah, so don't mind my hair. It's gonna all come together when the eyebrows done, okay? But yeah, so my eyebrows are very sparse. It doesn't have a good shape at all, but I've been able to finesse my eyebrows almost every morning, and it looks good. And the reason why I want to make this video is because I've been getting a lot of compliments on my eyebrows. Everybody always asks me, did you get your eyebrows done? Where did you get your eyebrows done? And I'll be like, no, I draw them in myself. And they'll be like, oh, it looks so good. It looks like you got them tattooed on and stuff. And you know, that makes me feel good because like I used to struggle doing my eyebrows. I didn't know how to do my eyebrows at all. And that will always be like an insecurity of mine. But I don't know how to do them. So I want to show y'all the technique that I use. Before I get into the technique, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use for my eyebrows. Not a lot of products at all. Very simple. First thing that I have is, of course, my setting spray by e.l.f. But I use any setting spray. I use Dollar Tree setting spray. But at this time, I couldn't go to Dollar Tree, so I had to get this expensive setting spray in this little bottle. I swear, it was like $7 for this little bottle. I mean, it works and all, but I don't believe in paying that much for setting spray. Like, Dollar Tree me, please. And I use my concealer from LA Colors in the color Deep. I always use this concealer, and I only use one concealer for my eyebrows. I know some people use a lighter color at the bottom and then their skin shade at the top of the eyebrows, but I just use one concealer, and that's what I've been doing. I didn't try to do the lighter concealer underneath the eyebrows yet. One day that might occur, but not in this video. We're gonna stick to one concealer, and this is the color that matches my skin shade the best. I have my angle brush. So an angle brush is very pertinent to getting your eyebrow shape, okay, and getting the eyebrows how you want it. An angle brush is very much needed. Just have this regular brush. I guess you could use just a small little brush. Whenever I am done with my eyebrows, like done perfecting the shape, then I just blend in the excess concealer with this brush. The actual eyebrow pencil, like I said, I'm very simple. I got this from Dollar Tree LA Colors, but it is in the shade, where is it? It's in the shade Black Brown. So I used to use straight black, the eyebrow pencil, but I noticed that sometimes it would look really, really dark and just look off for my skin tone. I just try out different colors of the eyebrow pencil, whether it's all black, a deep brown, a dark brown, deep black, whatever it is, light brown. See what looks best on your face, you know, and just highlights your features. But I think the black brown is good enough for me right now. And then lastly, I got my pencil sharpener, because I always have to go in with a freshly sharpened pencil. Your pencil should be sharp, sharp, sharp in order for you to get good lines and like a clean eyebrow look. I went ahead and I sharpened my pencil, but I can see very, very sharp. And after I do one eyebrow and I go into the next, I do sharpen before, because it will go down, okay? I'm sorry y'all for all this yapping, but I really wanted to explain it precisely. Now it's time to get into the eyebrows. Be really close to the camera because I don't have my glasses on anymore and I need to see what I'm doing. Just anything with like an eyebrow brush or is it called a spoolie? I don't know what it's called, but a little eyebrow brush. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. Like I said, my hairs are all over the place, so it does what it wants. So I'm just brushing the eyebrows up to try to give it a good shape. See how this one is not even moving? That's what I gotta deal with, y'all. Not even moving up for real. Alright, y'all, so I just shaped my eyebrows the best that I could. I'm sorry, y'all, for the awkward angle. The first step of the eyebrows is to get some concealer on the angle brush. It doesn't have to be a lot. Just make sure that you cover like the tip of the angle brush. And I always have a napkin or some tissue by me to wipe off the excess concealer. Okay, so I have some on the angle brush. Now I'm going to outline my eyebrows with the concealer. Alright, y'all, sorry, that was kind of hard for me to do because I'm used to looking in the mirror, not at the camera, and it's kind of different. But yes, so I'm done outlining one eyebrow, and so that's kind of how I want it to fall. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with the opposite eyebrow. And now it's hard to get your eyebrows to be twins, okay? It's very rare that your eyebrows will be twins, but you want them to be sisters at least. So what I'm gonna do is start from the one that I just did and just follow straight across. So at least the height can be the same. If I let this go, you get to nobody, I'm to nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you get to nobody. All right. So it looks kind of wonky right now, but we have our base to our eyebrows, and now it is time to start filling the eyebrows in. Real up close and personal for y'all, okay? Like I said, I have my eyebrow pencil sharpened. Now I'm going to start filling it in with very light strokes, very light strokes going in the upward direction. And I will see as I get towards the end, I'll probably start to form a tail shape. So you don't want to start right here either. You want to kind of leave this spot, these two spots open, because it will lead to a more ombre and more natural look at the end. So kind of start maybe in the middle. All right, y'all. All right. I know it looks kind of wonky. Trust the process. I promise you, trust the process, okay? Now we're gonna go in with our angle brush that was mentioned previously. Like I said, the angle brush is like one of the most important tools in getting a good eyebrow shape. So now I am going to use the excess concealer and actually like outline, shape, and perfect the eyebrow shape. You have to be very careful and move like very slow with this step. I'm gonna wipe off the top of the angle brush, just because sometimes you will get residue from the eyebrow pencil and you don't want black smudges on your underneath your eyebrows or on top of them. Just the process. Oh, we're gonna take the brush and clean up the excess concealer. Just blend it in. Ignore the talking in the background, that's how they You're supposed to be sleeping. You can tell him to talk low. Man, he ain't gonna talk low. We have one of our eyebrows done. Just like take a moment of silence. Take a moment of silence to look at the difference. One eyebrow is done. Finished. So I'm going to do this exact same steps on the left eyebrow. And just a disclaimer, like I said, my eyebrows it's rare that my eyebrows are twins, just because it's easier for me to do my right eyebrow than my left eyebrow. But you know, I always try my best. Now I'm about to resharpen my pencil just to make sure it's sharpened enough. All right, y'all, so the next part, I'm just going to time lapse it because it is essentially the same steps.
Come to the top of the car. Don't know by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. I keep a stick for the wall. Checks I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot and trusted you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that in the jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to roll with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, leave us brains on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers that's full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you reach for my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. ABC.
We
had the type of nights when morning comes too soon. Ooh, and nothing was the same. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off, I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive by right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So put your ass in the car.
Alright guys, I'm all done with my eyebrows. As y'all probably seen, I did have to flip my camera and actually face myself into the mirror. It is harder for me to do my eyebrows like in the camera, because I usually do it in the mirror and it's, you know, way easier to see better in the mirror. But these are how the eyebrows are looking. Let me take off my glasses. So this isn't my best work simply because I was doing it in the camera, because I wanted y'all to see an up close and personal angle on how I actually do each step. Because if I would have flipped the camera in the mirror, y'all were not going to be able to get an as close-up look. But these are how the eyebrows are looking. Like I said, not my best work, however they still are good enough to go out, and I'm pretty sure I'll probably still get complimented on it if I go out somewhere with my eyebrows. This is how I choose to wear my eyebrows. I know there's different ways to wear your eyebrows and style them, but this is just what I prefer at the moment. So like I said, hopefully if y'all follow these techniques and these steps and use similar or the same products, your eyebrows, you'll be able to learn how to do your eyebrows too over time, because it did take practice for me. It for sure took practice with different techniques. But yes guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.